For homeowners in Rochester Hills, maintaining and improving a property is not just about comfort, it's also about protecting and increasing its value over time. Residential services play a key role in achieving this goal by addressing everything from structural integrity to aesthetic appeal. Whether it's routine maintenance, repairs, or full-scale upgrades, investing in professional residential services can make a significant difference in how your home performs and how it's perceived in the market. One of the most immediate ways residential services improve home value is through enhanced curb appeal. Exterior improvements such as roofing, siding, windows, and entry doors create a strong first impression. In Rochester Hills neighborhoods, where well-maintained homes stand out, these updates can instantly elevate your property's appearance. A clean, updated exterior signals to potential buyers that the home has been properly cared for, which can increase interest and perceived value. Interior upgrades are just as important. Services like kitchen and bathroom remodeling, flooring replacement, and painting can transform outdated spaces into modern, functional areas. These improvements not only make your home more enjoyable to live in but also align with what buyers are looking for. Updated interiors often translate into higher offers and faster sales when it comes time to list your property. Energy efficiency is another major factor that contributes to home value. Residential services that include window replacement, insulation upgrades, or HVAC improvements help reduce energy consumption and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. In Rochester Hills, where seasonal changes can impact heating and cooling needs, energy-efficient homes are highly desirable. Buyers are often willing to pay more for properties that offer lower utility costs and improved comfort. Structural integrity is a critical component of long-term value. Services such as roof repairs, foundation work, and plumbing updates ensure that your home remains safe and stable. Addressing these essential elements prevents small issues from becoming major problems. A home with a solid structure not only retains its value but also provides peace of mind to both current homeowners and future buyers. Another way residential services add value is by improving functionality. Upgrades like better storage solutions, improved layouts, or updated fixtures make daily living more convenient. In many Rochester Hills homes, optimizing space can make a noticeable difference in how the property is used. Functional improvements enhance the overall experience of living in the home, which is a key selling point. Maintenance services also play a vital role in preserving value. Regular upkeep, such as gutter cleaning, roof inspections, and exterior maintenance, helps prevent wear and tear. A well-maintained home ages more gracefully, avoiding the visible signs of neglect that can lower its market appeal. Consistent care ensures that your property continues to look and perform its best over time. Safety and security upgrades are another important consideration. Residential services that include installing secure doors, modern locks, or updated electrical systems add both protection and value. Buyers often prioritize homes that offer a sense of safety, making these improvements a worthwhile investment. Customization is another benefit of professional residential services. Homeowners can tailor upgrades to fit their specific needs and preferences, creating a space that reflects their lifestyle. Whether it's adding a home office, upgrading outdoor living areas, or enhancing lighting, these personalized touches can set your home apart in the Rochester Hills market. Professional workmanship is key to maximizing these benefits. High-quality services ensure that every upgrade is completed correctly and efficiently. Proper installation and attention to detail not only improve performance but also extend the lifespan of the improvements. This reliability adds to the overall value of your home. In addition to immediate benefits, residential services provide long-term returns. By investing in your home's condition and functionality, you reduce the likelihood of costly repairs in the future. This proactive approach helps maintain property value and can even increase it over time. Finally, homes that receive regular updates and professional care tend to stand out in the real estate market. Buyers are more confident in properties that show consistent maintenance and thoughtful improvements. This confidence often translates into stronger offers and a smoother selling process. In the end, residential services in Rochester Hills improve home value by enhancing appearance, functionality, efficiency, and durability. From small maintenance tasks to major renovations, each investment contributes to a better living environment and a stronger property value. For homeowners looking to protect and grow their investment, professional residential services are a smart and rewarding choice.